Okay. Another thing that's important when it's dealing with the up the chain, especially at the hip, do we have a leg length discrepancy? Do we have a problem with leg length in general? You may catch this in standing when you're doing your history and doing your observation and palpation. Then you take the patient, put them in supine. A quick way to measure that is to palpate the patient at ASIS, come off the iliac crest, find the location of ASIS on either side, have the patient place a fingertip for you on that location, and then also here please. From there, I've got the patient's legs straight about 4 inches apart. I can very quickly and visually take a look down at the malleoli and see if I can notice anything different. And then I can do an actual measurement. So I like to take it into centimeters. So I put the zero line at ASIS and I come down to the inferior border, inferior line of his malleoli, ipsilateral side. And he's at 101 on this side. I do the same on the other side. Compare it, ipsilateral border, he's right at 101 centimeters. So he does not have a leg length discrepancy. Another quick test when we're doing leg length discrepancies is to have the patient bend the knees up, bring the feet together, malleoli are matching. What I'm looking at visually through this line of sight, I look to see is one knee higher than the other. If the knee was higher on one side versus the other, the high side, I would be suspecting the tibia as being longer to this tibia. Also, the view from the front, an anterior view, if one tibial tuberosity, or shin if you will, is further out versus the other, I would be suspicious of the femur being longer. So a longer femur might look more like this from that viewpoint.